Hi and welcome to my channel, Journal Eclectique. My name is Carole, and in this video I'm going to rebind a book. So I used the hardcover of this book for a project in my journals, and now that I don't need more books to tear up, this one I will rebind and send back to the local park library. So I did have the sleeve over the hard cover book, so I'm going to use that to make the new cover. I'm also adjusting the box and the sleeve together, so it was going out a little bit, so I made sure that I trimmed that off. So now I'm seeing how my box will fit around the first page, because that's where I'm going to glue a page, a cardstock page from a pattern pad. And I'm making sure also that the book really fits well, which it didn't, so I had to work it a little bit. So now I'm ready to put my cardstock page inside, and I did cheat. I did do one side off camera just to make sure that I had the right way to do it. So this pattern paper is from a pad I bought from Michael's, and it's not something I know that I'm going to use in my junk journaling, so I'm not exactly sorry that I'm using it for this, since usually the end papers on a book are always a bit weird. I didn't fold all the way up. I just pinched it so I could use the scrap paper for other project. Now on this step I forgot to actually spread the glue properly, and I actually thought it would be fine that way, but it didn't exactly do the greatest job. So if you do something like this, I suggest that you spread your glue not all over, just about a 1/4 inch from the back of the book, because there's only this sliver of the paper that needs to be glued on the paper of the book. The rest of the page will be glued entirely on the cereal box. And now I'm making sure that my glue will be all spread out properly so it doesn't make any bubbles and holds securely. So you only need to press those two together. You don't need really to do anything else about it. It will press, it will hold, and then you'll just need to cut the paper, the extra that is on the sleeve, which I will do with another green pad. Once the lap will be folded, it will make pockets inside the book, and it will be done. So I'm really happy about this. It's a great way to avoid hoarding too many books for no other reason than having books Often that's what happens with us crafters. So this one can go back in the park library to be read. So I'm really happy that you stayed with me until the end of this video, and I hope you will save some books you don't need, and that way people won't be too mad at you. And yeah, so happy to see you in my next video. Don't forget the freebie on Ko-fi. Subscribe, comment, like, and I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye.